Hey guys, so today we'll be going through an amazing feature that we have built, and many of you have been asking this, and we have built for one of our clients, and it's basically food subscriptions. It goes through a series of questions that you can answer for your dog, and at the end it will recommend you a product for subscription. So without explaining more, I think I would love to show it to you and what it can do. And we can build on top of this, we can add more questions. It has a database and all of that. So let me first show you a bit of the editor, and then if I'll show you the actual working of it. And if needed, I would like to also create a tutorial on how we have built this as well. So let's jump right into it. So this is the editor. Essentially, we have a multi-state box over here, where we are asking for the dog's name, we're asking for the dog details, we're asking for the personal details, and even within the dog details, we have another multi-state box where we are asking those questions within the state, right? And we have a progress bar up top, and the questions they answer over here are saved locally, and then they're asked to log in. So let me explain you. We also have a few database where you can add the products, you can add the configuration, and so much more. So you can add the configuration as to what kind of images you want to show up here and all of that. So let's actually go through the entire process, right? So this takes around 2 to 3 minutes, but I'll just rush through it so that it makes more sense. So let's say you can add your name, you can add your email. I'll just add an alias email for now. And as you're typing, as you can see, it slowly shows more information for the best user experience that you can have. I'll just add a number, and then it automatically shows the next. How many dogs you have? Let's say you have 2 dogs, and then you can enter the names and both of the names. So let's say Max and Tom, right? Then you can go to the next step. You can ask for the gender. So it's referring to the first one, which is let's say Max. Let's say you had 22 months. Again, I'm not a dog expert, so I'll just pick up random numbers and information right now, right? And then you can add the weight. Let's say he weighs around 10 pounds. Ideal weight should be 9 pounds, something like that. He's active, can be picky, good eater. You can just select those. If you have any information, you can just mention all of those here. And then we talk about Tom. Let's say even he is 21 months. You can select the breed, go next, just right. You can add the weight. Let's say he's 8 pounds. His ideal weight should be 10 pounds. He's thin right now. Again, I'm not aware of the numbers. I'm just rushing through things here. But as you can see, it gives an amazing user experience for users to select, right? And we can customize this as much as we want, right? And then based on the information that you entered, it will give you a recommendation. You can either customize. If you want to customize, as you can see, this is a test product that we added, and these are certain example sites. Or you can go back to the recommendation and stick with the recommendation. So if you want to continue with the recommendation, you just select continue with the recommendation. And then it just gives you a summary of everything, and then you can select the planned start date. In this case, we always want it to be a Tuesday. We can have any day, we can have alternate days, we can just have one particular day. So based on your business and your requirements, you can customize how you want it to be. And then it will ask us to create a password. Let's say I just create a simple password really quickly. And once that's done, it will register me. Let's say it registers me. I have to select traffic lights. Hopefully I'm not a robot. Okay, this was one that I missed. Okay, I'm not a robot. And once the registration is successfully done, it will log you in. It will show you thank you for registration, and I'll say save password not now. And as you can see, it will redirect me to the Stripe checkout. Again, this is a test checkout. I don't have we haven't turned on the live mode, but as you can see, we just need to change the API keys for the live mode, and we'll shift to the live mode. How cool is that? So let's now go to the second step as to the payment processing of it, right? So I'll just enter a random number here. Perfect. And then you can, the test details for Stripe are 42424. Perfect. And any subscription in the future, you can just add this name, India, you don't need to add, let's say I enter. Perfect. And then we click on subscribe. I had a bit of a trouble there, but let's see. Okay, so the subscription is done. And I think it will redirect us to our website to make sure the payment is successful. And once the payment is successful, it will take me to my dashboard. Again, this can also be customized. And once I go to my subscriptions, I can just click on my subscriptions. And here it will show me the subscriptions I have. As you can see, this is a subscription I can have. I can cancel the subscription, I can modify, I can add a payment method here, and I can do all of those. So this is a well-packed product, and we can customize this to your needs. I hope you liked it, and there's so much more we can do with this. We can obviously create an app out of this as well, but if you like something like this, do let us know. We'll be more than happy to build this for you. And we are pushing the limits on Wix, and it's completely natively built on Wix, and we have integrated Stripe with it with a dynamic subscription model. So I hope you liked it, and let us know if there's anything else. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.